safety items here in place to collect oil in case anything spills over. As you can see, the engine is slightly tilted up for access to the drain and filler plug, which is located just at the front end here of the lower unit. At the top you have your oil vent. This oil vent will need to be opened so that proper drainage can occur, as well as proper filling. So we're going to go ahead and remove the vent first. Already removed the torque from it. You want to get a short, stubby flathead for sure in order to get these out. Put that safekeeping, and then down here we'll remove this plug. And now our fluid can drain out. Make sure that we have good coverage. This will take some time due to the fact that it is a high viscosity fluid. Just one point of note, you'll want to do this every season. This boat was just de-winterized on the engine side, so now it's time to take care of the stern drive unit prior to hitting the water this season. We'll start part 3 once all of the oil is drained out, and we'll demonstrate how to refill the system.